How to get started with one-click accounts. First, you register. Then you enter your details. Great. Before you can submit a VAT return, you'll need to authorise the software with HMRC. Log into HMRC and confirm you want to submit VAT returns with one-click accounts. Now you're ready. Next, we'll go to submit a VAT return and download the example CSV. Most commercial bookkeeping software will allow you to export your VAT return as a CSV in the correct format. So if you're using Sage or QuickBooks for example, try importing your VAT Return CSV file and it should work perfectly. Let's have a look at the file in Excel. As you can see, it's a standard 9-box VAT return. You can generate this VAT return from your existing Excel spreadsheets. And One-Click Accounts has an example spreadsheet that shows how to digitally link your figures. For the purposes of this demo though, I'm just going to enter some dummy figures so we can see how it works. Once your VAT return is configured, save it as a CSV file. And then import it to the software. Check your figures look correct. And then check the period you're submitting is the right one. Confirm the declaration. Click Submit. And you're done. Once you've submitted your figures, try checking your past submissions. This will show the VAT return you just submitted, as well as any previous submission made with Making Tax Digital. Click View to see the submission details and the response from HMRC. You'll also find a record of your outstanding Making Tax Digital VAT liabilities and confirmation of any payments made towards your Making Tax Digital VAT account. Your dashboard will update to show your latest submission, as well as a record of submissions over time. Great for checking how your business is doing. So now you don't need to worry about April 2019. Our fantastic support team is ready and waiting to help you prepare for Making Tax Digital. So get started today at oneclickaccounts.com.